things yesterday on the logistic company that we own, me and my brothers, which currently does around 600k a year, but we're looking to move it up to around 1.8 million a year, hopefully by December, and it's very possible. And people had tons of questions, so I put up some screenshots so that you guys can see what I put up on my Snapchat. So people have tons of questions off the back of that. Am I going to teach it? How does it work? This, like, so many questions. So what I'll do, when I get back to the UK, I'll do a day in the life video. You see us from the depot all the way to doing our deliveries, and then I'll sit down with my brother who currently operates the company because he has the industry knowledge, and I would, do a YouTube video on that and, explain some basics to you guys. Chances are, it's not guaranteed, but chances are I may choose to take on a select few people, maybe 50 to 100 people, to teach them how to, take this video all the way from, an idea to taking your first job, getting your first job, taking your first job. It's all doable. I've just helped a friend through it over the last 4 months, and he had a quick turnaround. He's just obtained an 18-ton truck, and he's just got his first job. So his screenshot is the first screenshot that I posted earlier on. So chances are I may do that. Of course, there will be a fee, because like if I'm taking time out of my day, my brother's taking time out of his day, and we're offering full support for, let's say, 4 to 6 months and helping you through all your licenses and everything, of course there will probably be a charge for it, but very affordable though. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that yet. But first, let's start with the YouTube video, and then we'll probably take a note of interest of people that are interested, in learning about it and owning that sort of business. I think we can excel, man. Honestly, us inner city London guys, I genuinely believe that we can excel. I think we've seen examples that I've done well in my life, and a lot of people around me have done well, but there's loads more to do. I don't want us to measure our successes by watches anymore. Our successes has to be measured by more than that. Firstly, our successes has to be measured by peace of mind and happiness. That's probably the best metrics. Secondly, our success has to be measured by, more valuable things than watches. What's your property portfolio like? How many apartments do you own around the world? How many mansions do you own? How many do you own a PJ? What's your quality of life like? It's beyond the watches now, and I think that's the next stage that we're going into, coming into our 30s. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.